Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about League of Legends. There was an unexpected error with the login session. So this error is going to be when you're trying to log in. So step 1, click on Control-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager, or basically, on your taskbar, click on right-click right there, open up Task Manager. And this is going to be Task Manager. And find any like League of Legends or Riot processes. So for example, in here, if you're running LOL or League of Legends as others may call it, or even Riot, just end it right here. Now, since I do not have League of Legends, I still want to show you how to do this one. Let's just say this BlueStack Services is League of Legends, right? I'm going to click on record right there, click on End Task. It's basically clicking that one and making sure everything is ending. Now, once that's done, that's step 1. Step 2, relaunch the client. Basically, once everything is closed in Task Manager, relaunch League of Legends and try logging in again. Now, if the problem still persists, click the gear icon in Settings and click Sign Out. Click the client to reopen it and click re-login again. Step 4, restart your PC, clear any lingering background services just to make sure it's clear, and launch League of Legends again. Now flush DNS if the problem still persists. So what is DNS? This is just optional but really helpful sometimes. So for this one, click on Windows S. It will open up your search bar right there and type command. So for this, I'm going to type command right there and basically click on run as an administrator. Once you click on this one right here, follow this following commands right there. Click first this one, enter, and then enter this one again and basically click this one and enter. And basically start your PC. Another optional is reinstall the client. Basically reinstall League of Legends altogether and reinstall it. And basically that's it. I have some additional tips for you. Just make sure your internet connection is stable. You can try also running as admin, League of Legends and Riot, and temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus and test. So to disable firewall, basically go to your Windows settings. I'm going to click on Windows settings right there. And basically while you're in here, just look for network. And basically for this one, there's going to be firewall right there. Make sure this is going to be disabled. Alright? And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.